Hey everyone, thank you for joining me here today. This is Thomas coming to you from Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com, and today I have the pleasure of going over this beautiful lipstick red cherry bomb red 72 Nova that is a mirror finish, as you can see while I'm walking around this beauty. Just painted less than 2 years ago. Beautiful smooth finish on the car, wet sand buffed out and ceramic coated to give it that smooth silk finish. This is a fine Nova, guys, and if you're looking for something that's huge curb appeal at a great price, this is it. Please feel free to visit my website at mgmclassiccars.com for any and all of other muscle cars we have in stock as well. So I'm gonna go over this thing with you really quick, not really quick, really long, because I do like taking my time. So going over the body and paint work on the car, as you can see, it is a mirror finish. This front fender has no blemishes whatsoever, nor the door, nothing on the bottom of the rockers. And this fender, should I say quarter, I'm sorry, rear driver's quarter is excellent, okay? And I'll pop the trunk and we'll talk a little bit further about those. It appears to be really nice chrome bumper. It looks replaced, looks new. Bezels look new. This looks original to the car, along with the emblems. Passenger side hood, trunk looks great, no blemishes. Passenger side quarter looks great. Okay, this is just a little wax right there, and we just had done. Look at this, look at the reflection. Excellent quarter, beautiful paint all around the car, excellent all around. So guys, in this video there are no scratches, dents, or dings on this little Nova. Okay, let's check out the interior real quick. Yes, SS louvers, vent windows. Look at the door lips, look at these original door panels. And the SS's came with the wood green. That's one way to tell. And these are original to the car. Door jambs are nice on the car. Door sill plates, really nice. Inner jambs look great on the car. Replacement bucket seats. They're not perfect, okay? It does have some wear and tear here. Okay, so let's check out the passenger side now. Doors open and close great. Door lips look good. And like I said, original door panels. This is a real K code car. You can look that up. Nice door jambs, inner, outer. Nice weather stripping. Interior is nice and clean, honestly. Shoulder belts are all intact. Look at that shine. Man. Front power disc brakes. So to open up the hood on this Nova is right underneath this little Chevy emblem. Lift up, one hand, honestly, very simple. So this is a 350 V8. You got power steering, okay, right there. For all you guys that don't know, now you do. There's your booster and your master cylinder for your front power disc brakes. There's your it's not aluminum, but there's your radiator. There's no overheating problems that we have here. Inner fenders have been painted a gloss black, and the firewall is done as well. There's your windshield wiper motor. Okay. Edelbrock 4-barrel carb, electric choke. Here's your fuel line. Aluminum Edelbrock intake, chrome kit for the valve covers. The bushings on the A-arms look good, and it's upgraded with headers. This is a factory code. You can see right here, number 11 and 11. That will tell you the original color to this car. So give you guys a little homework to do. Hop on Google and punch it up and you'll see. BF Goodrich Radial TAs. You got your sport mirror, your vent windows. The glass on the car is in good shape. It all appears to be original along with this trim here. Okay. Let's fire it up. Wait, before I do that, I promise to show you guys the trunk. Here's your spare tire. Everything in the trunk looks good. Your original stampings from GM are right there. Hard to see in the video, but they're there. That tells me that that's original. And when I put my hand in here for checking for patches, I don't feel any and I don't see any. So that's an original quarter. Passenger side, original numbers are right there as well. And when I get my hands up in here as well to look for any patches on the passenger side, I do not feel or see anything. So keep that in mind. This is an original sheet metal car. It's not perfect, but it's nice. So there you have it. That's the trunk area. Okay, we'll walk past the motor again and then I'll fire it up. Very clean, as you can see all the crevices in here. Nicely detailed, like I mentioned earlier. And what I'll do is I'll fire up the motor and you guys can hear the exhaust and the motor as well. All right, here we are. Odometer shows 57,794 miles. RPM tach works. Wipers do function. And there's your light switch. You pull it out to turn it on. And there is no horn. Okay, so I'm selling it as is, just like that. The controls are inoperable for the heat and air conditioning. That's been bypassed. 8-track player is there and does function. There is your temp gauge. I'm gonna mount the camera. We're gonna go for a ride. This 350. Downkick cable works excellent on it. Drives nice and straight down the road. Like I said, front power disc brakes. And it does stop really well. Just continue to go straight here. Speedo works, RPM tach works. Nice driving car. The interior is pretty nice. It seems to be original. Like I said earlier, the SS door panels look original to the car. And also the dash pad looks original, but it's really in good condition, not a crack in it. The cluster is crystal clear on the lenses. That means someone took care of the car. Definitely took care of the car. It handles really nice going down the road. B&M shifters. I like this one. It's pretty cool. You can power shift from first to third. It's got the reverse lockout. So if you wanted to put it in reverse, you got to lift up this little T handle and put it in reverse. Okay. It's a pretty cool lockout feature. And like I said, the car does stop great. Nice carpet. Headliner could use to be repaired, and we do plan to repair it. And replace the headliner is what we're doing, because it does have a little tear in it, and it does have the original shoulder seat belts in it, which is pretty cool. Definitely a great K-Code Nova. Glass looks all original to the car. Vent windows, they open up nice and easy. If you guys are looking for delivery, you can call me or text me your zip code. If you need financing, you got to have at least a 650 credit score and up, and we can get it done. Let me know what your credit rating is so I know what bank to send you to do the loan for this classic car. They are classic car lending. They got some pretty good rates and turnaround. No prepayment penalties, good rates, good terms. They go up to 84 months, to be honest with you, so it keeps your payment really low. Another cool thing about this one, it's got the correct SS wheels on it, which I think look really vintage on the car, and a great set of tires as well. And it drives good too, no overheating problems. So my number is area code 847-848-1850. Please read all the description. If you do have any questions, or if I missed anything in my description, give me a call and I'll answer anything for you, or text me. Text is the quickest, the best way. I am by myself here. I run a 60-car online business, so I'm kind of busy, but I would like to get back to everybody. So the quickest is text message. If you're ready to buy the car, give me a call and let's get the deal done. So again, check me out at mgmclassiccars.com. Thank you for watching.